Hey guys, so I've decided that today is a good time. It's Saturday evening. It is 8:51 in the night. As you can see, still daylight, and the day has been spent doing a lot of chores around the house. So I decided that it's a good time to go for a ride and explore London at night. Amazing. Yay! Oh, so good to get out on the bike, guys. So let's just go around London. No congestion charge, which is great. For those of you watching back home, London or central London has what's called a congestion charge. Now, the congestion charge is basically a charge that every vehicle has to pay on a per day basis between, I believe, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. in order to use their vehicles, their combustion engine vehicles in London. Thankfully, electric vehicles and motorcycles are exempt from the congestion charge, which means that we can ride in London without problems. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to go have a nice ride in London, just take you guys with me, and should be fun. Yeah, now we are entering what's called West London because the direction that we came from is west. So we're entering West London. This is my route to work every day. Pick up the pace a bit and just get ahead of this guy. I don't know if you guys caught that, but as I was indicating left, the guy flashed me. अपने इंडिया में क्या होता है, हम फ्लैश करते हैं हमारी हेडलाइट्स ये गुस्सा दिखाने के लिए. यहाँ पे here is the opposite. It's to say please go ahead. So that was something quite funny for me to figure out when I first started driving in the UK. Basically, so if I indicate and I want to change lanes, there's somebody behind me and they flash the headlights, they're saying okay, free to go ahead. So yeah. So by and large, drivers are pretty decent in the UK. Yeah, West London hai, guys. I don't know if you can see it there in the distance. But like I said, London just hits differently in the night. A, because traffic is less, which is quite nice. And B, because just the whole city lights up. And London has a very different skyline to other cities. It isn't dominated by tall buildings. So of course you have Square Mile and Canary Wharf, etc., which are dominated by skyscrapers, but it has a very beautiful skyline in my opinion. Something very similar to Bombay. You know how Bombay, of course Bombay is full of high rises, but there's that one spot, right, when you're standing on Bandra Promenade and you're looking across to Worli and all of that. It's beautiful, right? So it reminds me of that. I'm trying to keep my chin up to show you guys more of the city from the DJI. In fact, you know what? I think I'll show you guys my journey in London so far. So let's first go to Khushbu and our first house in London. So I'll show you that area, and then from there let's drive to my old office, and then I'll show you where my new office is, and then we can do central London. I think that's a good plan. Let's do that. Just hear that quick shifter and that autoplay Purdue. I don't know if you guys can hear it. So cool. Even down to the first gear, it's fairly smooth. I wouldn't say completely smooth, but then again, it's still a mechanical gearbox. It's not an electronic gearbox. But nevertheless. Another advantage of being on a bike, इसको जाने देते हैं दूसरे बंदे को. ये आगे निकल जाए, इसके पीछे हम निकल जाएंगे. Another advantage of bikes is you can just filter through traffic. So that is pretty cool. Full Bombay vibes आती हैं. पहले जब मैं पहली बार आ रहा था तब तो मुझे इतना डर लग रहा था bro. I'm not even joking. But उसके बाद एक बार once you start doing it, फिर आदत लग जाती है. है ना? Oh, nice Porsche, boys, very nice. Police was there. Police, instant fear. थोड़ा जाए, निकल जाएंगे यार, निकल तो जाएंगे वैसे. चलो निकलते हैं. थोड़ा सा ना इसके हैव टू बी केयरफुल ऑफ द हैंड गार्ड्स यार, कभी कभी ना किसी के मिरर पे लग जाएगा तो फिर फालतू में फटका लगता है इंश्योरेंस पे. सो या सो दिस वी आर नियरिंग अ प्लेस कॉल्ड चिज़िक. यहाँ ना पहले टेस्ला का शोरूम होता था. दिस इज नाउ बिकम दिस न्यू ब्रांड कॉल्ड जेकू. इट्स अ क्रेजी चाइनीज ब्रांड गाइस, डूइंग सो वेल, makes crazy products. Their cars look like the Range Rover and superb features inside. Very good value for money. The Chinese makers are just killing it in the UK and generally also. I think in India we've got BYD etc. coming up also. Yeah, so we're now reaching Hammersmith. Hammersmith is a very famous part of West London, and we have a 20-mile-an-hour speed limit, guys. That's just hilarious. Just set cruise control because I find it very difficult to manage, like keep the bike at 20 miles an hour without cruise control. It's just, this is Hammersmith, and this is Hammersmith station on the right. Pretty cool, huh? Left. Nando's. I love London at night, man. अलग ही वाइब है इस शहर की रात को, बहुत मज़े आते हैं. And now we are going towards, so this is Hammersmith, all of this area is Hammersmith, and now we are going towards what's called Shepherd's Bush. And Shepherd's Bush is where Khushbu and I, when we first moved to the UK, of course we stayed with mom, and then we decided that we want to try living in London for a period of time, so we decided to come down to Shepherd's Bush in West London. And just like Bombay, the rents in London are obnoxious, man. Like, oh my god, they are so high. Like, it's not even funny. Super high. Like, if you thought Bombay was bad, London is next level, dude. Like, but still fun. I will definitely say still fun. So bhai, hey, what is happening, dude? Shit. Look at this, so pretty. I love this area. Look at the Le Petit Citron. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Le Petit Citron. The Richmond. Ted Lasso, Richmond. This is not Richmond, but yeah. Sorry, I'm just goofing around. Raj of India. This will probably be run by Bangladeshis. No offense to Bangladeshis, but yeah, Raj of India. Crazy, man. Indian restaurants in London are like another thing, man. Like, मतलब कोई बहुत कम अच्छे इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट मिलते हैं जहाँ पे एक्चुअली इंडियन खाना ढंग का मिलता है. बट हाँ, so anyway, so yeah, we're going to take a left from here, and this is Shepherd's Bush Green. Green basically being park. This is where Khushbu and I used to live. This road is called Goldhawk Road. So, yay, memories. I have passed through here from time to time, but I haven't actually come here to properly stop. Wow, amazing. This was our house, guys. This building. Hey, they changed the gate. So cool. Yeah, so this is where we used to live. This is Goldhawk Road station. I used to take my train from here to go to work. My first office was at Fleet Street. Why don't we put in Fleet Street here and take you to Fleet Street? Actually, I don't need to put it in. I remember the way now. अब हम लंदन की गलियों से familiar हो चुके हैं, guys. So I can take you there. एक्चुअली रात को बकिंगम पैलेस से जाएंगे तो और भी अच्छा लगेगा, है ना. जाके देख के आए कि यहाँ के राजा कहाँ रहते हैं. द किंग ऑफ इंग्लैंड, किंग ऑफ द यूनाइटेड किंगडम, हिज मैजेस्टी किंग चार्ल्स द थर्ड, probably his supper time. चलो, सो बकिंगम पैलेस से होते हुए जाएंगे. सो लेट्स जस्ट टेक अ लॉन्ग यू टर्न बेसिकली. एंड यस, वेलकम टू लंदन ट्रैफिक, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. थोड़ा सा कटिंग करते हैं. पीप पीप, हेलो, थैंक यू. आई लव बाइक्स टू. या अदरवाइज इफ आई वाज इन द कार, अभी यहाँ से 2 घंटा लगता है निकलने में. So anyway, yes, this is W12. When I come in the car, this is where I park the bike. Sorry, the car. Deliveroo riders are proper dhoom wali, dhoom guys, huh? They're like fucking crazy, man. So, अरे हमें हैमरस्मिथ से जाना था, मैं यहाँ से आ गया. चलो तुम्हें बाद में दिखाता हूँ फिर बकिंगम पैलेस. आते वक्त दिखाता हूँ. When we are coming back, we'll come from that route. Yeah, that makes sense. This is Westfield, guys. This is a very big mall here. And ऐसे 2 हैं आई थिंक लंदन में. एक यहाँ है इन शेफर्ड्स बुश और एक है स्ट्रैटफर्ड में. यहाँ मेरे काफ़ी दोस्त रहते हैं. So that's also pretty cool. Now we'll go towards the city. I don't know if you can see the board there. It says the city and the west end towards the right. So that's what we'll do. Just to indicate and move over. यहाँ के roundabouts थोड़े से confusing होते हैं पहली बार जब when you start driving or riding. But you get the hang of it pretty quickly. Basically the simple rule to follow is that the traffic on the right has right of way, and you then got to just remember to indicate at your exit. I will explain all of that later. अभी करने का कोई फ़ायदा नहीं है, कुछ समझ में आएगा नहीं. मेरे ही समझ में नहीं आता. तो anyway नहीं आता है. Police, if you're watching, I know how to drive very properly. Thank you very much. Oh, I can smell some nice food. यार, I think what we should do is a night ride to some nice food joints in London. Like, क्या बात है ना, रात कुछ तो खुला होगा, I'm sure. Filtering through, yes, right at the front of the queue, guys. I like it. Another advantage of riding a bike in London is that you can use what's called the bus lanes. And bus lanes usually कोई यूज़ कर नहीं सकता है except the taxis and the buses. That in itself is pretty nice and saves a lot of time. तो जो 20 miles an hour की speed limit है, that becomes a little bearable when you at least can use the bus lanes to maintain some sort of, you know, velocity, momentum. Momentum, guys. Momentum बनाए रखो. Momentum. Driving in London is more or less like driving in any city, except that it's not as chaotic as fucking India can get. Because, sorry, I didn't mean to swear there, but what I mean is like, you know what I mean, right? Like मतलब पूरा मतलब एकदम भसड़ नहीं है यार कि मतलब 3 लेन का रोड पे 13 लेन बना रखा है, you know. So at least that way it's much better. मतलब as you can probably make out, I'm the only one who's like not keeping lane discipline like all bikers, but at least because everybody else is keeping lane discipline, at least allows us, you know, to get into like these pockets of spaces and just fairly rapid progress compared to other. अब ये बस रुकेगा तो हम थोड़ा राइट जाएंगे. This is Baker Street, guys. यहाँ पे Sherlock Holmes का स्टैचू भी है. I don't know if you can see it right there behind this. 1 second. Yeah, see there. That's Sherlock Holmes statue. So cool, no? And this is the world famous Madame Tussauds, जहाँ पे काफ़ी सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़, इंडियन सेलिब्रिटीज़ का भी वैक्स स्टैचू है. So shout out to Amitabh Bachchan, Deepika Padukone, Salman Khan. Does Salman have it? Shahrukh, yeah, crazy. So yeah, that's Madame Tussauds. ये थोड़ा टाइट होगा, but निकल जाएंगे. I haven't come to London at night for quite some time. Wouldn't say months, but yeah, it's been a few weeks definitely. क्योंकि होता नहीं है यार आना मतलब ज़्यादा, you know. Now thankfully with this whole YouTube thing and with, you know, vlogging and getting all this content out there, it's a good reason to just come out and explore, because, you know, I live a little outside the city. It's quite nice to, you know, come out in the night, explore the city. It's quite nice. ये जो लाइंस देख रहे हो ना सामने, दीज आर स्पीड कैमरा लाइंस. जहाँ पे भी ये लाइंस होती है मतलब वहाँ पे स्पीड कैमरा है. थैंक गॉड फ्लैश नहीं हुआ, वरना लेने के देने पड़ जाते. ओपन सम वेंट्स, गेट सम फ्रेश एयर इनटू द जैकेट. Oh, they should be able to hit high. Oh, देखो, I don't know if you can see that little yellow camera there. That's a speed camera. ऊपर कैमरा है, नीचे फ्लैश है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा लेफ्ट जाते हैं. so that we can take the bus lane. What's up, man? कोई हाय बोल रहा है मेरे भाई. First thumbs up on YouTube. I like it. Cheers, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Cheers. Wow, dude, how sweet. He's like, yo, bad boy bike. Sick bike, guys. Tiger's a sick bike. Agree, disagree, let me know. Although I don't really care. I think it's a sick bike. Yoo-hoo. And this, guys, this clock tower you see in front, this is part of King's Cross Station, which is London का VT, Victoria Terminus. ये लंदन का विक्टोरिया टर्मिनस है, आप देखें. It's like a bigger version actually if you think about it of Victoria Terminus. Pretty cool. This is where all the... Oh, look at that McLaren. Oh my god. Was that a McLaren? Yeah, it was a McLaren. So anyway, yeah. So like I was saying, this is where all the international trains for from the UK depart. So your Eurostar, basically your Eurostar trains to Belgium, Germany, etc. Germany, I don't think there's a direct line anymore. I'll have to check. I haven't taken a train ever from here, internationally at least. So yeah, this is like the international junction of London. So pretty cool, huh? Pretty big. And we will shortly be in my near my office. So let's just try and cut through this traffic here. Five Guys, nice burgers, milkshakes, burgers in London, very good. So we turn right here. Oop, yellow light. भाई भगा रहे हैं, बट हम कैमरे पे हैं तो हम भगा नहीं सकते. हाँ. And here we have to stop. So you see how these two guys are, this couple is crossing. ये जो flashing poles और ये zebra crossing पे अगर pedestrians होते हैं तो they get right of way basically. So that means that any pedestrians, they get right of way. So you have to give them way. This is, we're getting close to Holborn and Farringdon. And Farringdon is essentially where my office is. This is basically one of the two routes that I take into work whenever I ride to work, which is twice a week. ये सारे Royal Mail के trucks निकल रहे हैं. So you see these, this is Royal Mail, I think one of Royal Mail's depots here. Royal Mail is like अपना post office. So the UK Postal Service, although it's not technically, I think, nationalized. The government has shares in it, I believe. I'm not too sure on the... Whoa. Thank you, don't mind. Auntie getting really upset, but I can imagine it's okay. London riders and drivers can be a little frustrated at times, which is fine. Not a problem. Amazing. Look at this pub. The pubs also in London are just so nice. I love it. I love it. And we're going to take a left here. Actually, we didn't need to take a left, but okay, अब तो ले लिया तो आ जाते हैं. This, guys, is Farringdon. सामने Farringdon station है. Let them cross. This is Farringdon station सामने. So this is where I work. So of course, for security reasons, I will not take you exactly where I work. But yeah, this is the general area where I work. This is Farringdon. It's amazing. I like it. Although ऐसे जिसको ढूंढना होगा ढूंढ लेगा यार, मैं कहाँ काम करता हूँ तो fuck it, क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ता है. And we will take a right here. Hello, Capital. Nice. सब पार्टी कर रहे हैं bro, Saturday night को. Amazing. So it's been a good ride so far, I must say. No problems with the bike, touch wood. Absolutely perfect weather to ride, 21 degrees. ट्रैफिक भी कम है. Yeah man, it's just very nice. I'm really hoping there's enough light on the DJI so you guys can truly appreciate how beautiful London looks in the night. I'm having a lot of fun riding, so I'm really keen that you guys are also able to enjoy this from my perspective. इस सिग्नल से अगर आप लेफ़्ट जाएंगे तो St. Paul's Cathedral आएगा, which is a very old cathedral in the UK, in London, which has one of Europe's largest domes, freestanding domes, absolutely beautiful. Khushbu and I will do a proper walking tour and bike tour of London, so I will save all of my gyan for that video whenever we drop it. But for now, yeah, just going to give you a few tidbits so you can see that towards St. Paul's. And this on the right is Fleet Street, is the place where my old office used to be. We're going to pass that and then we're going to make our way towards Buckingham Palace, Strand, India House, which is the High Commission of India here in London. We are to be singing that song given what happened at the Coldplay concert. Oh, that poor CEO, man, I feel so bad for him. But then again, if you fuck around, things will eventually catch up with you. This is Fleet Street, guys. So Fleet Street used to be basically the journalist street of the newspaper street of London. तो पुराने ज़माने में यहाँ पे सारे papers होते थे. This 165 Fleet Street used to be my old office. Oh, the memories. And this on the right, guys, is the Royal Courts of Justice, the courts of England. अमेजिंग, क्या बिल्डिंग है यार, मज़ेदार एकदम. देखो, द रॉयल कोर्ट्स ऑफ जस्टिस, माइंड ब्लोइंग. अब हम आ रहे हैं टू अ प्लेस कॉल्ड द स्ट्रैंड. दिस इज आई थिंक ऑस्ट्रेलिया हाउस. दिस इज इंडिया हाउस ऑन द लेफ्ट. यू सी इट लिट अप इन ऑरेंज, गाइस. ओ हो, मेरा भारत महान. चक दे India. This is India House, guys. Oh my god, so amazing. I love it. That is India House. It's amazing, so cool. India House. So this is our High Commission in the UK, and ये Waldorf Hotel on the right. सब चिल कर रहे हैं सैटरडे को. This is where, यहाँ पीछे Covent Garden है, इसको Strand बोलते हैं. So this is the Strand. As you can see, it's jam-packed because it is summer after all. Lots of tourists and a Saturday night at that, guys. So, wow, very pretty, yeah. It's been like ages since I've come to the Strand in night. Yo, boy, yo, Mercedes, what are you doing? Gotta be careful here, man. कहीं से कोई भी आ जाता है. इन साली रिक्शा पे कभी नहीं बैठने का. ये इतना रिप ऑफ करेंगे ना, बोलेंगे 20 पाउंड दो और 20 पाउंड लेके तुम्हें कहीं छोड़ देंगे और उसके बाद तुमसे 60-70 पाउंड ठगेंगे. दीज आर द बिगेस्ट स्कैमर्स इन लंडन. सो एनीबडी हु कम्स टू लंडन, प्लीज़ डोंट यूज़ दीज एज अट्रैक्टिव एज दे मे सीम. दे आर ब्लडी स्टूपिड एंड दे आर स्कैमर्स ऑफ द हाईएस्ट ऑर्डर. अभी वी आर गोना कम टू what's called Trafalgar Square, which, as you guys will remember, is immortalized in DDLJ, where in the opening scene Amrish Puri at 4 a.m. in the morning is feeding the pigeons saying "Ow." Kabutar Square. Yeah, bhaga. Run. What are you doing? Spells and Charms. Oh wow, that's such a cool store, guys. Spells and Charms, remember this, I have to come here. इसकी भी वीडियो बनाएंगे. So cool, they have that Fort Anglia, dude. Oh my god, so cool. From Harry Potter, all my Harry Potter fanboys. Yay. ये है ट्रफालगर स्क्वायर. अभी पता नहीं दिख रहा है कि नहीं दिखेगा. वो देखो, वहाँ लायन बैठे हैं उधर ऊपर, दिख रहे हैं क्या? That is Trafalgar Square, ladies and gentlemen. On your right, looking good. I hope I don't crash while showing you. Yes, amazing. And now we will go right. There you go. Oh, kya view hai bhaiya. Look at that. With the gallery in the background. Amazing. So that is Trafalgar Square. And now on to Buckingham Palace, my friends. Let's go to Buckingham Palace. अभी guys बहुत अच्छा शॉट आएगा Buckingham Palace का, which is on the right. This in front of us is called the Mall or the Mall. I don't know how these Brits pronounce it, but yeah, look at that, guys. Oh, what a shot. थोड़ा सा गाड़ी तेज बढ़ाएंगे so that we can keep this in the frame. Oh, amazing. So this is Buckingham Palace. And इस बंदे को हमारे आगे आना ही है. कोई बात नहीं, आ जाओ ब्रो. हम आपकी साइड में ही रखेंगे गाड़ी. क्या कर रहा है भाई? पड़े नहीं भैया. So this is Buckingham Palace, guys. That is the statue and memorial to Queen Victoria. Beautiful place. So this was a short tour of some of the key attractions in central London. की तो नहीं, मतलब मैंने आपको अपना ऑफिस दिखाया और ट्रफाल्गर स्क्वायर दिखाया और बकिंगम पैलेस दिखाया. ये देखो, दिस इज़ बकिंगम पैलेस. ये भरा रहता है पूरे इन द डे. सो मेनी टूरिस्ट, द चेंजिंग ऑफ द गार्ड एट्सेट्रा ऑल ऑफ दैट हैपेंस हियर. And this is basically the residence of the residence of the monarch of the UK. So King Charles और उनकी फैमिली यहाँ रहते हैं. और अब हम चलते हैं घर की तरफ. काफ़ी अच्छी राइड थी ये. I hope you guys had fun riding with me. This was a short, sweet ride. Lots of fun for me. And yeah, like I said, Khushbu and I will be doing a proper tour of London. We're gonna take you guys around to each and every place that we believe will be of interest. So if any of you are ever planning to visit London, do let us know what you'd like us to cover at all, and for those of you who've already been here, if you have any tips for us, hey, because we're also not proper Londoners, so any tips are welcome. But yeah, this has been awesome. I'm gonna now stop recording and call it a day here. Gonna put some music on for the ride back home. See you guys in the next one. This has been great. Thanks for joining. I hope you enjoyed. If you found this entertaining, you had fun riding with me, do leave a like. It'll help the channel. Do subscribe, share with your friends. The more the word gets out there that there's something like this happening, the more it'll help us grow, and therefore bring even more content to you guys, and get the kind of content you would like. So yeah, that's me signing off. Have a good one. Peace.